Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about the iPhone 15. Now we're getting very close to the presentation and the release date of the new iPhone 15 series, and we have a lot of interesting things to talk about in this video. We have a lot of new updates regarding new features and changes that are coming to these devices, and of course the price as well, which will be very interesting. So first of all, the mass shipment of the new iPhone 15s to Apple has started, and this according to Ming Chi Kao, who is of course a very trusted source when it comes to the iPhone related stuff. So that's a really good news, because we previously had some news that the iPhone 15 Pro models might be delayed this year, but it looks like it will be on time, and that is of course always great news to hear. So of course the release date is very close. We're expecting Apple to hold the event on September 12th, and most likely during this week they will send out the invitations to the event as well. Now of course, with the event being on September 12th, you can expect the devices to go on pre-order on Friday, September 15th, and then of course they will ship on the next Friday, which will be September 22nd. Meanwhile, before the shipment, and of course between the shipment and the pre-order, we will also get the new iOS 17, most likely on the 18th of September. As you probably have heard before, we're getting a new design with a new titanium frame this year with the new iPhone Pro series, which most likely will be named the iPhone 15 Pro, and then the iPhone 15 Pro Max will be named the iPhone 15 Ultra. But with that titanium frame, we're also getting a weight reduction. So the iPhone 15 Pro is getting a weight reduction from 206 grams, which is currently the weight of the iPhone 14 Pro, to 191 grams. So a 15 gram slider for the iPhone 15 Pro, while the iPhone 15 Ultra will go down from 240 grams, which is currently the weight of this iPhone, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It goes down to 221, so that's 19 gram slider. I don't know if we actually will be able to tell just by holding the iPhone in the hands whether that weight reduction will be big or not. We will have to wait and see for that, but the new titanium frame will of course be lighter, and expect the iPhone to be way lighter as well. Now with the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 15 Ultra, we're getting a new color this year as well. We're actually getting another dark blue color, which we mentioned before, but the new color that will be on the new iPhone 15 Pro models will be the Titan Gray color. It actually looks really good. You can see from these photos right here, it actually looks really good. I really like this color, and this is most likely the color that I will go with once I purchase my iPhone 15 Ultra. It actually looks amazing. Probably in person will look even better. Now I always use these darker colors, bought these iPhones with these darker colors, but that Titan Gray actually looks really nice, and I most likely will go with that color. You most likely already heard about the reports regarding USB Type-C coming to the iPhone. Well, that's basically confirmed by now. We're getting USB Type-C with the iPhone, but another big change that Apple will do with the cables for the new iPhones, finally we're getting longer cables. As you know, this one that comes with the iPhone in the package is 1 meter long, and the new ones will be 1.6, so you're getting almost a double length for the cable for your iPhone, which is actually really great. It will be way more usable than the current one. Also, we're getting an upgrade in charging from 20 watts to 35 watts for the iPhone 15 Ultra, which of course will make charging way faster than the current iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now, other upgrades that are coming to the new iPhone 15 Ultra, and all of these that we're talking about, just keep in mind, we're going to talk about this later in the video, that all of these will of course have an impact on the price, because this iPhone will cost more to build. So first of all, we're getting a bigger battery from the current iPhone 14 Pro Max, which has a battery of 4,323 milliamp hours. We're getting an update to 4,552 milliamp hours, basically around 520 more milliamp hours for the battery of the new iPhone 15 Ultra, which is of course really great. Now, one thing we don't know for sure currently is whether we will get 6 gigs of RAM memory, which is the same on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, or we're getting an upgrade to 8 gigs. So there are like mixed reports and rumors regarding this, so probably we will have to wait until the release and see what that will be, but expect to have 6 or maybe even 8 gigs of RAM on the iPhone 15 Ultra. Another thing that Apple is upgrading with this device is the space that you get on your iPhone. Currently, the lowest capacity that you can get on the iPhone will be 128 gigs, and Apple is updating that for the iPhone 15 Ultra. Most likely the other ones will still start at 128, but the iPhone 15 Ultra will have a starting capacity of 256 gigabytes. That of course again will have an impact on the final price of this device. Now, we're also of course getting the new action button with the iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Ultra. You probably have heard about that already, but lately we got some code within iOS 17, the current iOS 17 beta 7, which basically indicates that this is actually coming to the iPhone 15 Ultra. So yes, expect this to come to the iPhone 15 Ultra. This is almost now a confirmed feature, and you will have a lot of things that you will be able to do with the action button. And the fact that it actually allows you to even run shortcuts that you have on your device, that just opens the door to you creating a bunch of different shortcuts, which then you can run from here and basically just do almost any action that you can do on your device simply by using the action button, in which case you won't even need to unlock your device or go into your device to actually do something. You simply use the new action button. Now, what I'm hoping here is that Apple will actually add different gestures, or maybe a click or double click or triple click, which basically allows you to just have multiple different actions sign up to the action button, which would be really great. And finally, let's talk about the pricing of the new iPhones. So of course, with all these great updates that are coming to the new iPhone 15 Ultra, of course, this will be one of the biggest updates to the iPhone since its release. You can expect a price increase as well. Now, according to DigiTimes, if they're correct, the iPhone 15 range will have this price. So the iPhone 15 will start at $799. We're talking American dollars here. And then the iPhone 15 Plus will start at $899, while the iPhone 15 Pro will start at $1,099, and the iPhone 15 Ultra, which will of course be the best device by far from the other iPhones, of course will have a heftier price as well. This device will start at $1,299, and of course with taxes and all that, expect to pay actually quite a big price for this device. But according to all these reports, all these features that are getting leaked, we're getting a great device, so it will probably be worth it spending an extra $200 to actually get the iPhone 15 Ultra, which will be an amazing iPhone according to all these rumors and things that we have heard about this device. But again, we will have to wait until September 12th to see if these rumors are true, and of course if this price is true, and whether we're getting the iPhone 15 Pro Max or the iPhone 15 Ultra. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, of course, don't forget to subscribe for more videos and for more iOS 15 updates. And I will see you on the next one.